Hey guys, we got this Zulay Kitchen powerful milk frother for test and tries, a handheld foam makers for lattes, whisk drink mixer for coffee, or a mini foamer for cappuccino, frappe, or any other hot chocolate, or any other drink. So let's open and unbox this to see what's inside. So this is all the literature and the manual, and let's have this and open this. So this comes in a different color, so you can choose. Also comes with the stand. As you can see, is a battery operated, so you need two AA batteries. This is a ribbon to make taking out the batteries easier, and the power button and heavy duty mixer or mixer here. So this is a stand. So let's put in the batteries and see how it works. So I have to just adjust the ribbon first so you can take out the batteries later on easily. And it's a heavy duty motor. So just putting in the batteries here, as you can see. So one on one, and once you just put in the cover. So see, it's working is a very powerful motor and the mixer here. So this I just took some milk and just trying to mix this up with making the froth, and you can see the froth will come up easily, and then you can see a powerful mixer within the seconds. This is a cold milk, so you can see like how this is making up the froth here. So the froth is done and you can feel it. It's a creamy froth on the top. So it's very nice milk frother, I will say. It's a fun, and cleaning is easy with the water and then just paper towel. Nike milk frother with the stand.